Good morning everybody and welcome to the Leaf Hydroponic Farms. Today we will talk about another crop which can be grown hydroponically but not in the NFT or deep water culture system because of its size. So this crop should be grown in substrate based hydroponic system in a medium consisting of or which will have perlite as well as coco peat in it. You mix it in the ratio of 80:20, 80% coco peat and 20% perlite, and then you can grow the Brussels sprout. This particular food crop is called Brussels sprout. It is like a cabbage, very small, half inch to 1 inch in diameter, which they grow in the axil of the leaf, and you can take them raw, you can fry them, deep fry them, stir fry them, mix them in salad, and many dishes they are available on the internet these days or on the World Wide Web. So you will have to grow a nursery. When the plants attain a certain height of say 5 to 6 inches, then you plant into the grow bag. The grow bag are filled with a mixture of coco peat and perlite in the ratio as I discussed 80:20, and then you keep on watering it. Here we are using some trellising cords also. The reason being that the plants are quite heavy and they have a tendency to tilt. So in order to make them stand erect, you may have to support them a little. But this is a very good crop, very good antioxidant and very tasty when you eat it, and can give you a good return. The prices are also very good. If you see, this is the small sprout which always is there or grow there in the axil of the leaf, and this is what you take and eat. The leaves here are a bit curled upward because it is too near to the side net of the poly house, and the weather is bit cold. So once the weather turns a bit better, then the leaves will automatically be straightened. The plant can grow up to a height of over 4 to 5 feet and keep on producing these small Brussels sprouts, and you can keep on harvesting them, or you can harvest all the Brussels sprouts in one go also. That is how you are to keep this crop in the hydroponic systems. Thank you very much.